Hey, it's my birthday month. And normally in July, I'm always fundraising for other organizations that are doing so much good work for the community. But this time, I'm coming to you on behalf of myself. I am looking to raise funds for us, the children of the diasporans. So I'm here in East Africa, and I will be building a holistic sanctuary with you in mind. All the children of the transatlantic slave trade throughout the generations, the traumas that we've suffered through. I'll be building a place for us, a sanctuary, someplace whole, someplace beautiful in nature, where you can come and rest your weary soul, where you can come and just free, be free from all the hustle and bustle of the Western world, um, where you can come and learn how to protect your spirit, how to do breathing techniques and swimming and hot tub and just all the things that nature provides us that helps us come back to center. We will be serving holistic foods. We'll have a beautiful, warm, comfortable place for you to stay and sleep, and everything in between. So I need your help. I'm asking that you help me build this dream from the ground up. And so I need your financial support in order to do it. I have a link. If you wouldn't mind, please clicking on the link to get a lot more details about what it is we'll be offering at the House of Good, and give your support. Every little bit goes a long way. A whole lot goes a long, long way. And anywhere in between, whatever you can give, we certainly appreciate it. And maybe you aren't able to give right now. You can help by sharing this message. Please share it far and wide so other people can be aware of what we're doing here in Tanzania in service to those of us who need it most. We look forward to seeing you on the other side of the ocean. Take care of each other. Peace.
Everything ain't what it seems in Africa.